Morning guys, it is April 10th, 2026. We out here in the marsh this morning to make a run, trying to get out that wind. You know, it's been a heck of a week. Haven't been able to get out because of all the wind we've been having. So we decided to go ahead and try the marsh today. That way we can at least get out of a little bit of it. Today's conditions, we have partly cloudy skies. Winds are going to be out of the east, then the southeast, from anywhere from 7 to 18 miles an hour. Going to be a rough one. It's supposed to build up around 12 o'clock. We got a low tide at 8:45 and a high tide tonight at 8:45 roughly. We have a 2 fish bite this morning between 6:30 and 8:30 this morning. If you like these videos, please subscribe, please hit the thumbs up. Next Team JoJo meetings come up on April 18th. Come join us. Look forward to seeing you there. See the flyer at the end. Stay tuned and see how we do today. Austin hooked up on something, guys. Nice trout. Good trout, yes. Woo. Nice trout coming in. Yes, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Take it, bro. I'll take it. Yeah. He kicked up another one, guys. Ooh, nice trout. Nice trout. Ooh, nice trout, boy. Is that a ½ ounce or 3/8? Huh? Guys, I done hooked into one now. He don't feel as big as the one Marsh just landed, but it's on top of the water, so I know he's a trout. I'm using a double jig head, 3/8 and 1/8. Yep, they ain't a keeper though. He's a throwback. Looked into one. This one feels like a little bit better fish here. Yeah, a little better fish. Right. Hopefully it ain't another cat. Uh-oh. He's fighting. He's fighting. I don't know. I don't know what this is, boss. Either it's a catfish or it's a double. One of the two. Oh yeah. He ain't come up yet. He ain't come up. That's not a good sign. Not a good sign. Where is he? Come on. Outside the boat. What is it? Oh golly. Come over this way, guy. Come this way. Oh, Lord, look at the size of this trout, guys. My God. Look at the size of this trout. Come on. Jesus. All right, guys, that's on that double, the 3/8 and an 1/8 ounce, and that's about a 21 hammer trout, dude. He's on that 1/8 ounce. I'm hooked on something here. I don't know what we got. This feels like a little trout. Feels like a little trout.
Mike, this is eyes on Mike. Pay attention, Mike. That's how it's done, Mike. Right here in number 6.
All right, guys, I hooked into another one here. See what we got. What we got? What we got? Come on, baby. Come on up. Come on up. All right, where we go? What we got, y'all? I don't know. It feels pretty good. I got your line. Okay. All right, guys. Caught him on that 1/8 ounce jig head. You see that? With the 3/8 on the bottom, the aces on the top. Double, guys. Let's see. Let's see if he's right. I saw something shining in the water, so that's a good sign. He's got 2. Double trouble! Something small.
You might just want to catch fish. You got to put Rudy in the boat, bro. I'm telling you.
Yeah, that's a trout. Look at that gator just floating down the middle.
It's a little one, okay?
Yeah, but he's a little one.
A little one. He didn't know what it was.
That's a little one. Little one. Boston hooked into something. Ooh, keep a trout possibly. Yeah, possibly. I think he's a keeper. I think he's like 13 and a half, 14. All right.
Which one's in?
Right there. Closest to you, yeah. Yep. Yeah. Keeper. All right, guys. Boston hooked up. Really? Wow, that'd be wonderful. Uh-oh, it's digging. It's digging. That's not a good sign, guys. What's it got? Ah, yep, it's a cat. Boston hooked into something here. Feels like a good one, he said. Feels like a good one. All right. Come on, baby. Be a trout. Be a trout. Yes! Pretty trout. All right, Boston hooked into another croaky, thanks. Yeah, I think it's a trout. It's a croaker?
Yeah.
Another croaker?
A foul, probably.
Uh-oh.
They ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, we got another croaker. Wow. What you got this time, boss? Boss is on fire. Be catching them right at one after the other. Oh, and guess what? I done found something here. I don't know. It doesn't feel like a croaker though. I don't know what I got. I think I got a trout. Yep, I got a trout. Yes. All right, guys. I switched over to that avocado. Nature Shed avocado. Caught that trout. Right, come here, dude. Cat. Or red, one of the two. Yeah, I think it's a gaff top. Oh, it's a big trout. Big trout. Big trout, boss.
Big trout, folks. Big trout.
Ooh, ooh. Big trout. Big trout.
Big trout, folks. Come on in, baby. Come on in, Mr. Boom! That's our winner there.
Ay, ay, ay.
Pull him up. Let me get a shot of him, man. Came right on.
Yeah, he done ripped my whatchamacallit too. Have to reset up.
7 more, baby. 7 more.
Oh no! Look at that baby. Yeah. All right, guys, that's a good 3-pounder. Beauty. 19 and a half. Whew. Guys, we done hooked into another one here. Feels like a troutsy. Feel like a troutsy woutsy, buddy. Yeah, all right. Got one, boss?
Yeah, man.
Hey guys, boss done hooked into something here. Let's see what he's got. Come on. Be a trout, baby. Be a trout. Oh, you got me. And you got, what the heck is that? A cat? No, a little croaker. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see that, but there's an otter out there. Get tangled in my line. It's coming towards us. There you You making that video for Mike?
Oh yeah. Yep. Him and his buddy. I know he's gonna chew his buddy out. Oh. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, good church.
There you go. That's a pretty one there. Boston hooked into another one, guys. I hope it is too. There he is. Come on. I got him too. I got one too. All right, baby. Oh, he got off. No, he didn't. He's on. All right. Boss hooked up. I got one. Coming in. Coming in, baby. Coming in. 3 more for 30? Yep. If I make this one in? Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's good. All right. Guys, Boston hooked into another one. Oh yeah, nice trout, nice trout. Ooh yeah, pretty one, boss. Hey guys, we got one. We got one. We got one. Right. Nice one. Ooh, another nice trout. Dang.
All right, Mike. This is 29, Mike.
Ah.
That's 29, Mike. One more.
Another beaut. Okay, guys, that's on that avocado. Beaut. Guys, we're gonna hooked up, I think, on number 30 here.
All right, Mike. This is number 30 coming in, brother. Number 30 coming in.
Yep, that's a trout.
Nice.
All right. If he can squeeze out to be a 13-incher, I don't know. He's gonna be tight. Well, he's got only a few specks on him. Let's see. Yeah, I think he's gonna make it. Yep, 13 1/4.
Oh, don't put him in there yet. Oh, nice one here, boss.
You got something nice?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on now. Austin hooked into something really nice, he says. I can rearrange it so. All right, what you got, boss?
I don't know, man. It ain't running. It did wait.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. It's either a big trout or red.
Well, let's hope it's a big trout.
Could be a dum.
Oh, it's that big?
This is the trout we need to net for.
Nope, dum.
Drum is dead. What do they gotta be?
16. All right, guys, Boston hooked up.
I'll be wrong.
Another drum, he thinks.
Fight like a rock.
Oh, whoa. Missed him. Yep, another puppy drum.
I got it.
All right, guys, we're back at Safe Harbor here. It was a good morning. We ended up with 30 trout, 2 puppy drum, 7 croakers, and that was the day. Yeah, we had to go look for them. It took us about 2 hours to get to the first ones, and then after that we picked up a couple here, a couple there, and then the last spot we hit, we kind of had a good location there and found them and tore them up there. That's some nice trout. If you like these videos, please subscribe, please hit the thumbs up. Next Team JoJo meeting's coming up on April 18th. 2026 at Fatty Seafood. Come join us, it's free. Look forward to meeting you there. As always guys, until next time, tight lines.